I feel it in the club.
Dunkin' Donut in the old transmission. What a lovely morning where it is currently 28 degrees. It's cold. But my truck's back. And I'm so thankful. It's very dirty and definitely needs a wash. We might do that today or tomorrow. Hopefully soon. All right, well, let's start it. Let's see how it sounds. Full manual swap. Currently smells like gear fluid in here because, well, I got all my shit back there to clean up. My little angry shifter. Let's see. Okay. Amazing. Man, I miss the sound. Definitely needs some work in here. For sure. It's not the shiniest or nicest, but it's still pretty nice. Got the good old 350 in here, so that's good. This right here is my personal radio / sound system. Eventually I'll be making a video of installing a new radio, most likely a touchscreen with some door speakers and some subs, and I'll probably add more speakers to up here too. Just replace the factory ones because why not have a loud system? I'll be making tons more videos because, as you can see, a lot of things need fixed. For one, the windshield, the dash, it needs this god-awful carpet replaced. I'm gonna need to get a cover for that so it's not just wind tunneling air out. Got a lot of rust back there that needs fixed under my junk pile. headliner. I'll be making a custom one, most likely putting starlights in it, so that would be cool. 6-inch lift should be put on within the next couple months. All the lights need rewired, and I'm hoping to find a nice chrome grill. I don't know, we'll see. And then another thing too is obviously all the rust out here too. So this will be a long process. But I need a new rear bumper and fix this god-awful welding job. I don't know who the hell did that on the exhaust, but it is ridiculous. So we will be fixing that. So this is gonna be a big project and will take most likely a long time because of time and money. But I'm really excited to get going and finally get my YouTube channel going up again and get started on everything. If y'all have any suggestions or things that I should do to this truck, just let me know and I'd really appreciate it. Always remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. I'm super duper excited for this build, and I'll see you guys next time.